Hello everyone, welcome to Gradual Learning. I hope you all are good and doing well. Please subscribe our channel to stay updated. Please like and share the videos with others too, and don't forget to press the bell icon. We are also on Instagram by the name Gradual Learning. Today we are going to talk about important days of August month. So I request you to please watch the video till the end. Vishwa Sanskrit Divas. World Sanskrit Day, also known as Vishwa Sanskrit Dinam or Vishwa Sanskrit Divas, is an annual event focused around the ancient language of Sanskrit that incorporates lectures about the language and is aimed to promote its revival and maintenance. It is celebrated on Shravan Purnima, that is, the Purnima day of the Shravan month in the Hindu calendar. The Sanskrit organization Sanskrit Bharati is involved in promoting the day in India. In the year 2020, this day is celebrated on August 3. Hiroshima Day. During the Second World War, which was active in 1939 to 1945, the world's first deployed atomic bomb with more than 9,000 pound uranium-235 was loaded on US B-29 bomber aircraft. The Enola Gay attacked the Japanese city of Hiroshima on 6 August 1945. The explosion was so huge that it immediately killed 70,000 people, wiping 90% of the city, and later on around 10,000 people died due to the effect of radiation exposure. Annually, 6th of August marks the anniversary of the atomic bombing in Hiroshima during World War II. The horrific incident took place on August 6, 1945, when the United States dropped an atomic bomb named Little Boy on the town of Hiroshima in Japan. This bomb attack was done in the motive to end the Second World War in 1945. This day is remembered to promote peace and spread awareness about the danger of nuclear energy and nuclear weapons. On August 9, 1945, a second atom bomb is dropped on Japan by the United States at Nagasaki, resulting finally in Japan's unconditional surrender. The explosion unleashed the equivalent force of 22,000 tons of TNT. The hills that surrounded the city did a better job of containing the destructive force, but the number killed is estimated at anywhere between 60,000 and 80,000. Quit India Movement Day. The Quit India movement, translated into several Indian languages as the Leave India movement, also known as the August movement, was a movement launched at the Bombay session of All India Congress Committee by Mahatma Gandhi on 8 August 1942 during World War II, demanding an end to British rule of India. On August 8, 1942, at the All India Congress Committee session in Bombay, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi launched the Quit India movement. The next day, Gandhi, Nehru, and many other leaders of the Indian National Congress were arrested by the British government. On the anniversary of Quit India movement, the nation celebrates the day, remembering the heroic courage of the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the country. The movement was started on August 9, 1942, and since then, the day is celebrated as August Kranti Divas. Since 1987, World Youth Day has been celebrated annually on Palm Sunday in every diocese. Every few years, however, it becomes an international pilgrimage to a major world city where there is a week-long program of spiritual activity that integrate catechism, public rituals, including a mass reenactment of the Stations of the Cross and performance. World Youth Day program of religious education and spiritual formation for youth in the Roman Catholic Church. Pope John Paul II was inspired to establish World Youth Day in 1986 by the Church's Youth Jubilee 1984, a special meeting between the Pope and the young Catholics held at the conclusion of the 1983-84 Year of Jubilee and by the United Nations International Youth Year 1985. The first World Youth Day, held on Palm Sunday in Rome, had the goal of assuring young Catholics of their captivity to perpetuate the Church's traditions, spirituality, and work within the world. World Photography Day is celebrated so that people around the world can communicate their feelings and express themselves through the art of photography. The whole idea behind the day is to hold discussions about photography and encourage those who want to pursue photography as a hobby or career. History of Photography Day. The photograph originally was made by Nicephore Nicephore using silver chloride coating a piece of paper. However, the photo would eventually turn fully dark as he knew no way to remove the silver chloride from the paper to preserve the photo. On World Humanitarian Day, WHD, August 19, the world commemorates humanitarian workers killed and injured in the course of their work, and we honor all aid and health workers who continue, despite the odds, to provide life-saving support and protection to people most in need. This day was designated in memory of the 19 August 2003 bomb attack on the Canal Hotel in Baghdad, Iraq, killing 22 people including the chief humanitarian in Iraq, Sergio Vieira de Mello. In 2009, the United Nations General Assembly formalized the day as World Humanitarian Day. National Sports Day is a public holiday celebrated in various countries to honor the national sports teams and sports traditions of those countries. On this day, people from different age groups take part in sports like kabaddi, marathon, basketball, hockey, etc. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on 29 August on the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. This day marks the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand Singh, the hockey player who won gold medals in Olympics for India in the years 1928, 1932 and 1936. He scored over 400 goals in his career from 1926 to 1948. Sports Day is also known as the Rashtriya Khel Divas. The day was first inducted into the list of celebrity days in the year 2012. National Sports Day is the center of attraction for ardent sports lovers of the country. The main reason behind celebrating National Sports Day lies in championing the spirit of sportsmanship and propagating the message of various sports.